Hello, my name is Robby Wideman, and this is my submission for the Web 102 course pre-work. This is the Sea Monster crowdfunding website that's been modified and has everything put into place as per the instructions. The first thing you might notice up here is that instead of having a solid header color where we have a defined line and it looks a little less aesthetic, you'll see that I have a gradienting. It's a gradient down from the light blue color down to the gray. I'll also up here as like a nav bar section in the header, I've placed a quick link to our games section. And if you click it, it goes straight down to the game section here. So you'll notice that some features are a little more outside of what was asked, is some of the optional things I did. But we'll go over some of the initial required objects, obviously. You'll see that it's got this is about the company and what they do. And it also has a statement about the total amount of money that's been raised for the 11 games and 7 games being unfunded, which means there's 4 games that have been funded. Down here, you'll see that in the stat cards, individual contributions has been totaled, the total raised, the number of games, plus we have the top funded game and the runner-up to the top funded games. Let's see. Instead of having the box shadow when you just come over the divs here, just for the stats section, I put it over the individual cards, and so they get that nice little glow around it that makes them kind of pop out for the user. Another thing you'll notice is that they do look like they're popping out. That's just a simple smooth transition on the y-axis to give it that almost three-dimensional look, and it does it up here too. And with the R games, you'll notice that it's got a little bit darker or brighter, maybe. I don't know how you would describe it, blue. But that is so it stands out against the lighter blue that's on this header here. And again, scrolling down, boom, right down there. I did that with creating a targeted area in HTML and obviously building the nav button up there. I've also implemented a search engine, so to speak. I guess it's not really an engine, it's a search feature. It's got the placeholder for type of game name here, so you can search any of these games that a user might want to look at. And so let's say they want to look at like Kingdom Death Monster 1.5 there. If they start typing, it's a live search. You'll notice there's no search bar or anything, or search button. But you hit K and then you get everything that's got a K in it, basically. But when you get to Kingdom, you've only got that one game. And you can do this for any game. And let's say you want to look at that, is it American? Heroes of Mythic Americas. Yeah, you could do that too. So, and then you'll see that it's got, let's see, 5, 10, and 11 total games. And then all of our buttons here and all of our game cards also have that smooth transition with the box glow. To give it kind of that popping look, make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing for the users. At least it does for me. And you can use all these buttons just like we're supposed to. You'll notice they pop out a little brighter blue like this top button up here for our games. And that's so the user knows that they function, they do something. So if we want to look at show unfunded, it's key to do that. And we get our 7 games that are unfunded here. And if we want to look at games that are funded, show funded does that, gives us the 4 funded games. And if we click show all games, we'll be treated to all 11 games again. And I believe that's about it for the extras and the basics that I did. But yeah, it's a basic website. It gets the job done. I would personally organize it a little bit different, but for a beginner, React, I guess this isn't even React actually. For a beginner CSS project, this is not bad. It looks smooth. But yeah, I mean, and at least the background colors and everything, they match the Sea Monster thematic there with, we got like a color close to sea foam here, gray, cloudy skies, whatever you might want to look at it as. Again, my name is Robby Wideman. Thank you for your time and consideration for me for this program. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thanks.